In this video, I am going to show you how to buy crypto with a credit card on Bitget. 1. Sign into your Bitget account and navigate to the Buy Crypto section. Click on the credit card option to buy the crypto. Alternatively, you can choose Credit Card tab under the Deposit or Buy Crypto button. Select Add New Card and proceed to verify your identity. Enter the necessary card details including the card number, expiry date, and CVV. Ensure you have the physical card with you. If the card has been used previously, the system may display a message indicating the card is used previously. Next, choose your preferred fiat currency and input the amount you wish to spend. The system will automatically calculate and display the corresponding cryptocurrency amount. Agree to the terms and conditions and then click Confirm. Complete the 3D secure authentication by entering your password and selecting Continue to proceed. Follow the prompts to complete your payment request, and upon completing the payment, you will receive a payment pending notification. The processing this time may vary depending on the network. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.